What's going on, Hobby Lobby? Man, look, I'm so happy to tell you that the YouTube studio is finished, it's complete, it's done. Took me a little minute to get it exactly how I wanted it, but we got there. And I'm so happy to reveal the YouTube studio to you right now. But first, I want to give a shout out and a big thanks to the people who actually went over to my Patreon / the JAVIER show to actually support. And without you, I couldn't have done it, couldn't even got started from the very beginning. So I really want to give a much thanks to all of y'all who actually took the time to do that. I also want to thank all my fans and supporters, the people who are subscribers and listeners to my channel, and those of you who hit the bell and come and watch my live streams and videos. I thank you so much. You are the inspiration to keep me going, keep me moving and pushing forward. So I'm going to keep coming. Hopefully the content gets better and better, and y'all will be along with me from the very beginning to the end. Now, also, I want to give a shout out to the wifey because she helped tremendously and she was there for me every step of the way. So I can't overlook that. She really helped out a lot. And my pops actually came over and helped one day. So I want to let you know the inspiration of this YouTube studio came from a lot of things that I'm very inspired by. It's centered around politics, religion, and culture. That's my theme of the show. But it also has a little touch of Javier. I'm really into dragons, so I try to implement dragons into it. I also put some comic books out there and some of the books that I personally find the favorites of that I like to read and things that I'm just interested in. And also got a little bit of trophies here and there to kind of give some memories of how it was growing up and where I came from and where I am now. So, as many of y'all know, I started off like this. Now that that's over, I'm finna reveal the YouTube studio. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it, and there's much, much more to come. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share these videos. Thank you so much. I can't say it enough. Now let's do it.